fourth problem from the contract costing. Okay, a product passes through three processes for completion. It's going to pass three processes for the month ending 31st-3/2009. The following are the details. Okay, here they have given the details. Okay, see, total. Okay, X, Y and Z. Here he has given the total column also. Total he has given 4 columns. Okay, particulars, total, X, Y and Z. Here is given 3 processes. In that total column is also there. See the material. Okay, material, how much for the process X? 20,000, Y 30,200, Z is 34,620. Okay, the next one, labor I have. Okay, labor X, how much we have? 30,000, Y 40,000, Z is 50,000. Okay, then direct expenses. Okay, direct expenses in there 5,000, 2,260 and for the Z process we have nil. Okay, then after that production overhead he has given in the total column 60,000. So for this production overhead we have a working note there. Okay, has given certain adjustment. First we will solve that working note and finally I am going to allocate the production overhead for the 3 different processes, that is X, Y and Z. Okay, see next one, normal loss he has given. For process X is there 10%, Y is 5%, then Z is 10%. And he has sold that scrap, sale of scrap per unit. Okay, that is 3, 5 and 6. Then production in units. Production in units, how much it is there? 920, 870 and 800. So, illeno normal loss is there 3%, 10%, 5% and 10% again. Then after that, he has given sale of scrap per unit. Now, waste in estic sell money. Yeah. Okay. So, he has given 3, 5 and 6. Production in units. Production in units 920, 870 and 800. ನೀವು process account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ process ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ process ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು process Y X ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು process Y ಅಂತ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 920 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ process ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That will be knowing when I solve on the board. Okay, then see the adjustment now. 1000 units at rupees 50 per unit were issued to process X. Okay, ಏನಂತೆ 1000 units na 50 per unit ಅಂತ process X ಗೆ issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. This is input introduced. Please underline in your pencil. This is input introduced. 2 input introduced. Okay, production overhead is to be allocated on the basis of direct labor. Direct labor ಮೇಲೆ issue ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಯಾವುದು production overhead na. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡು you have to identify that. Okay, first I will solve this particular working note and afterwards I will go on to the next process account. 3 different process accounts. First listen. Step 1. Listen, I said. Step 1. Allocation of production overhead. Allocation of production overhead. See here, I have first what is the direct ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ production overhead is to be allocated on the basis of direct labor. Listen here, direct labor. So direct labor ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ process X ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Process X ಗೆ I have 30,000. Please don't talk. Process Y how much we have? 40,000. Then process Z how much we have? 50,000. Okay. So here I am going to get what is the 3:4:5 ratio. Okay. 3:4:5. 3:4:5. Are you all clear with this? Everyone are clear? Understood? Have to allocate on the basis of this ratio, that is production overhead na ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹಂಚಬೇಕಂತೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ 3 ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. Now I am going to allocate this. See here, production overhead. Production overhead ಇದೆ. See for the process X. Listen here. Production overhead total ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಮ್ಮ? 60,000 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 60,000 input. First process X is ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 50,000. I hope you are clear with this, right? Next for the process Y. First is that 60,000 into 4 by 1. How much man? 20,000. I hope everyone are clear. Next. Okay. Then next the process Z. How much I have? 60,000 into 5 divided by 25,000. How much? 25,000. Are you all clear with this? Are you all clear with this? You can write afterwards, no problem. Once you can see the video and write. Okay. Are you all clear with this? If you can write roughly. Okay. So now I hope you are all clear with this. ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ನ ಇಂತ ಜೊತೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಲೇಬರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ I can record this in the process account. Process X ಅಲ್ಲಿ to production overhead ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ 15,000 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Process Y ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20,000 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Process Z ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25,000 record. Are you all clear with this? Clear everyone? Okay, now I'll go on to the process account. Roughly you take note, then you can record the class. Next, I hope you are clear with this. Next, process. Which is the first process? Process X. Don't talk, girls. Rupees, units, particulars, rupees, units, particulars. Understood? Particulars. Okay. Credit and debit. Are you clear with this? This is the process 6. First ಈಗ 1 by 1 process X ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ have to take down. Okay, first ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ input introduced. Okay, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ 1000 units at rupees 50 per unit were issued to process X ಅಂತ. So this is my units introduced. Two input introduced. To input introduced. How much? 1000 units at rupees how much? 50 units for how many? 1000 ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 at rupees 50 and ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 50,000. I hope you are all clear with this.
Yes sir.
Everyone are clear, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, next one by one I will be recording the items now. First ಏನಿದೆ?
Material.
Two materials 20,000. Labor. How much I have? 30,000. Please stop talking, girls. Please. Okay, then after this labor, what I have?
Direct expenses.
2. Direct expenses, how much I have? 5.
1,000.
Then after that, production overhead. 2. Production overhead. How much I have?
15,000.
60,000 into 3 by 12. Because it goes together. Okay. How much I have? 50,000. I hope you are clear with this now.
Yes, sir.
Everyone are very clear? So now, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What I have to do here is I have to record these items. Listen here. By normal loss. Normal. Are you clear with this? Normal loss. Normal loss ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನನಗೆ? How much is it? I should take 10%. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So how much is that? 1000 into how much percent?
10%.
10%. 1000 into 10% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 100 ಅಲ್ಲ? So 100 ಈ 100 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ನ 100 into how much? 300. Are you all clear with this? So he has given how much is the normal loss percentage he has given and output fail output ಮಾಡಿದೆ 10% I did, I got 100 and for this wastage that is normal loss now ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ sell ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ I given in the problem sale of scrap okay ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ sell ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ process X ದು 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ okay 3 rupees he has sold so 100 into 3 I did I got 300 are you all clear with this mark everyone so next I have output ಇದೆ next ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ see production in units 920 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ so what I am going to record here is by transferred to process y next process ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ listen here okay ಎಷ್ಟು is that 920 units ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ನೌ debit side no credit side how much you are going to get 1020 please stop talking I said mat beda 1020 so which side I am about that side I am going to record this only units not 1020 the expense balance so if this is to abnormal gain to abnormal gain 20 into so ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಗೇನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ನೌ I have to do the working note I have here for this cost per unit ಕಂಡಕ್ಕೆ working note ಇದೆ listen here calculation of cost per ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಮ್ಮ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು cost per unit okay what is the formula for that total cost minus value of listen value of normal loss divided by input in units minus normal loss in units okay see now substitute this okay ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ so ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೇನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1,20,000 minus what is the value of normal loss is how much here ಇದು value 300 okay 300 ante then input in units input included is 1000 okay 1000 minus normal loss in units ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು 100 okay ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1,19,700 divided by ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ how much 1,19,700 divided by 900 133 okay see here abnormal gain ಇವಾಗ 20 into 133 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು okay so cost per unit ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 units ಇದೆ okay 20 units ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ so ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಾನು per unit ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ 133 okay 20 units 20 units into 133 ಮಾಡಿದೆ 660 2660. Are you all clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone are clear? Now, do the total of this. How much you are going to get?
1,22,066.
1,22,660. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1,22,660 minus 300 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1,22,360. Are you all clear with this now, ma? Everyone are clear? ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಲಿ, ಗೇನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಲಿ, ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So that into how much I have to do, I don't know. So I am going to identify this cost per unit. You are clear? Clear everyone? Shall we go on to the process Y now?
Yes, sir.
Please don't talk. I told don't talk for some minutes. Okay, now next is what? Process by stop talking I said. Okay, ಇವಾಗ next process ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಏನದು? By to transferred from
X.
process. How much it was? 920. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
1,22,660.
1,22,360. Are you all clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one by one, please. One by one. Now, two materials.
30,200.
Process 30,200.
200.
Then next, how much ma?
40,000.
40. Next, how much?
2,260.
2,260. Then the production over. So production, how much we have?
60,000 into 4/5.
60,000 into. Then those are just okay. Please don't talk. I said. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 20. Okay. Now by normal loss. Okay, normal loss. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನನಗೆ? So 920 ಇದು introduce output ನನಗೆ. Okay, output ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, how much is this? 920 into how much percent?
5%.
How much we are going to get? 46. 46. So how much for this 46 has been sold? 46 into scrap ನ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? 5. 46 into 230. Okay, listen. Okay, then after that, next one. So I have to transfer for next process. What is the next process? Process Z. By transferred to Z. What is the units he has given? 870. 870. So which side I am going to get more ma?
Credit side.
Which side I am going to get more?
Credit side.
920. Just a minute, wait. Okay, 920. Let's put the 870 plus 46 ಎಷ್ಟು?
916.
916. So 920. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 920. Okay, how much we are going to get ma? Balance sheet figure. Oh, this is treated as what? By abnormal loss. 4. So 4 into, I don't know how much he has sold per unit. So for that I am going to find out cost per unit. ನನಗೆ cost per unit ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಮ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
2,14,820.
2,14,820. 2,14,820. Are you all clear with this? Okay. Now total cost is Nijama 2,14,820 minus what is the value of normal loss? 230. Input in units 920. Normal loss in units
26.
how much you are going to get? 2 lakh
14,590.
2,14,590. We simplify my last answer in it. No need to do for us the problem. I hope you are going to get how much? 245.5. 245.5 you have to get. Okay. So now 245.532 also Tama. You are going to get 32 I hope. 4 into 245. 245.322. How much you are going to get?
91.28.
How much?
91.28.
90?
91.28.
991 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 981. Okay. 981 now point ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 981.28. Okay. 981 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now if you do the balancing figure, how much you are going to get? 2,13,608 ಬರುತ್ತೆ actually. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, the point variation ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ actually 982 ಬರಬೇಕು. I'll be telling that afterwards. How to get 982. Okay, 982 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ how much you are going to get is 2,13,608. Okay, 982 I'll be telling you 608. ಅದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Don't worry about it. 1 or 2 is no problem. Okay, just is going to see the total and how much you have got the normal loss then. Okay, the first phase is going to see what is the thing is how much you have taken the wastage. Okay, what is the loss you have taken? Loss how much you have taken, and for that loss nothing but the wastage or the scrap how much you have sold. Okay, just you are going to see everything they are going to see, but the main point is these things and what is the abnormal loss and what is the abnormal gain or abnormal loss or whether not. Are you all clear with this?
Yes.
Clear everyone?
Yes.
Shall we move on to the next process?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is what process Z.
Sir, ಅದು
So
5
5 to the process 5 to
245.52.
Okay. 5 to 1. Okay. Then we move on to the next process, that is process Z. I said don't talk. I'm telling you don't talk. Shut your mouth, then afterwards you can ask me. Boys. Okay, listen here. Listen, I said. Enough? Okay. Now, how much it has been transferred here? 2. Transfer from process Y. Okay, transfer from process Y. How much is that? 13,000. 600. What is the unit? 870. Okay. Now, next one by one we'll record. Two materials estimate. Materials how much?
34,620.
34,000. Okay, then after that, to labor
50,000.
after that, direct expenses how much? Okay, then after that, production overhead how much? much you have? 60,000 into 5. How much you are going to get? 20?
5,000.
Are you clear with this? Clear everyone? Okay, then after that, next question another normal loss. How much I have? How much is the unit? 870 into how much percent? 10%. Now ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 87. ಆ 87 ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? 6. 87 into 6 into 522. 522. Very good. Okay. Then by transfer to, this is the last process now, where you are going to transfer? Transferred to finished goods. Yesterday, how much we have transferred to finished goods? What is the output he has given in the problem for the last process there? 8. Are you all clear with this? Clear everyone? Okay. How much you are going to get here? 800 plus 87? 887. Credit side and again ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I am going to get, what is this? Abnormal? 887. How much is the balance? 17. Agoma. This is by, sorry, 2 abnormal gain. So 17 into, I should find out the total. Okay, so what is the total cost?
2,73,078.
2 lakh? 3 lakh?
24,108.
Okay, what is the value of normal loss? Ma, do the total properly. 2,13,608 plus 3 lakh 3,23,228 is correct. 3,23,228 you are going to get. Do the total correctly. Okay, 2,13,608 ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Lower bracket what I have done. 3,23,228. And what is the value of normal loss I have given? 522. 522. So input in units is how much, ma? 870. Minus what is the normal loss in units? 87. Finally, you see the value, how much you are going to get? 412.14. Are you all clear with this? So 412.14 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 17 into 412.14. 7,000. You take it as 7,006. Okay. So now do the total finally. Three lakh 234. 3 lakh 30,000 234. What is the balancing figure I am going to get? So then, are you all clear with this? Are you all understood the fourth problem?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.